Nice bilge, cleaning our transducer. We have the necessary tools, brushes, water, flathead screwdriver, everything you need. Looks pretty good.
About it.
What's left? Just salt, water, crap?
Yeah, I mean there was a barnacle right there, so a little bit of his shell is still there, and then there's just a little bit of muck in the corners, but I think that's pretty much it. It's not going to look brand new, but
As long as it works.
we'll see. It will work, at least for a little while.
If it doesn't work, we'll have to do it again. Get a new one.
Okay, that goes that way, right?
Alright, here goes. Comes the water. Here goes the transducer. Alright. Pretty nice. Not a bad job at all, Bill Chinnis. Thank you so much for your services.
We do what we can.
You want to drink that?
Just dump it in the bilge.